we are back with another video, and today we're gonna be moving out of my apartment, my dorm for school, and we're gonna be transitioning into a new apartment. So I'm gonna show you what like a little stuff looks like right now. So like right now, like this is everything, you guys. We are literally moving out. Like all the walls is like literally gone. You can see all my bags are getting packed. It's real, bitches. This is the closet. Oh my gosh, y'all, everything is literally getting wiped out. My roommate's moving all her stuff out. Everything is just like going away. I'm super excited to move out into a new apartment, and once I move out into that new apartment, then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So today's video is just gonna be cleaning vlog. I have to go to work, and then I'm gonna start vlogging me cleaning and everything, clean my room out, and then the process of me moving into my new apartment. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a 2-day process. So like this video is not gonna be dropping the same day that I'm making it. So yeah, stay tuned. Like I mentioned, I was moving apartments. Yay! So this is what we're looking like. This is obviously the Unfurnished. I have like a lot of packing to do. Not a lot of packing, but a lot of unpacking, a lot of purchases still being made. But I'm just gonna take you guys a little bit through the apartment. So right here is like the living area, and y'all, they got couches and the chair of 2 different colors, you guys. So I hope that they understand that those 2 different colors. But I already got my TV set up because I was eating Chick-fil-A, and I like to be eating and watching TV at the same time. So let me get a better view for you guys so y'all can kind of see. That's like the living space. This is the kitchen. I'm not too fond of it, but it's not bad to where it's like, yeah, it's not bad. Everything is, there's nothing in here, obviously. This is all the stuff I still have to unpack. This is one of the rooms. I'm taking that bed and putting it in my room. For some reason, they don't have no little clothes thing on the closet. This is my room. It's like barely any lighting in here. I'm cleaning everything because you always want to clean your house, your apartment, dorm rooms, whatever, before you move in. That's the closet. This is the bathroom, you guys. Very small, but like, it's doable, you know what I'm saying? It's very doable, I guess, so far. So, like I said, this video is still going to be very extended because I want to make sure that I get to show everything. I want to make sure that I get to show everything. I'm gonna like clean up a little bit, and once I actually get through furnishing everything. Oh, you guys, it also has a balcony. I don't feel like going outside because I don't have my shirt on. But, so it actually has a balcony. I'm going to finish cleaning up. You might see me on the next day. Because this is a long process because I still have to go to work for 8 hours today and try to finish this video off for you guys and finish cleaning up. So, see you guys on the next video. Okay, you guys, so we're back with another video. Sorry, the lighting is very ugly. It's a yellow light up there, so you already know. But, so right now, this is how I got my room set up. It's not done, obviously. Like, so far, I put all my slides in the closet. I put up, my charts. Obviously, I have to redo them. They're old. And, I did my carpet, put my carpet on the floor, made up my bed. I gotta get a sheet for my bed, and I'm thinking about getting more pillows and stuff. And I've just put up my curtain. These dressers were like underneath my bed, but like I built it into like one dresser because it just looks silly being underneath my bed. So we're not done. We still have to decorate and put up a lot of things. So just bear with me. I don't even think this video is going to be finished until like maybe 2 weeks from now, because I really want to put this together so you guys see a start to finish product fully furnished, or maybe I'll just do another fully furnished video. But anyways, we're out. I'm gonna go to work right now, and then I'm gonna come back once I start to put more stuff in my room, and I might do a time lapse of, you know, me cleaning up my living room and putting things away. So stay tuned. So, like I said, we're still setting up my room and everything. So this next clip, we will be organizing all of my clothes and my closet. So let's get started because it's a lot to do. Anyways, bye. What is up, YouTube? We're back, and you guys, this is gonna be such a long video, like I said, but I just want to show you guys what I've gotten done so far. So I got my refrigerator and like freezer a little bit stocked. Like, this is just a little bit of things for like right now, because it's just one of me. That's like my refrigerator right now. Yeah, and I just got all my little drinks. Able to put some things up in the cabinet. Like over here is like my pots and stuff. Since they don't have a pantry, I have to put everything up in the shelves. So there's like some of the groceries I got as well. Spices. Y'all know your spice cabinet is always gonna be the number one. I actually filled up my drawers, purses up with my jackets, more shoes. And you guys, we're still unpacking. Like, I still have like a little bit of left to do. If y'all see over here, I have like things right there. I still have things right here. My whole countertop is still dirty. What is up, you guys? We're back with another video, and this is the final ending of this video. I wanted to show you guys everything that I've put up and what the apartment is looking like now that I've cleaned everything. So this room is still the same. I was able to move all those boxes, storage boxes with all my hair products and everything in there. Things that I really didn't know what to do with is in this room, because this is a free room, you guys. Curtain did come from my bathroom. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. I still have more decor. That's what that's looking like right there. That's what my bathroom is looking like. This is the living room. I moved everything out. We still have my couch covers, my rug and stuff to come. So when that comes, the kitchen is still the same. Everything is pretty much still the same except the bathroom and the fact that the living room is more cleared now. And yeah. So I already showed you guys my room, but it's not made right now, so I'm not gonna go in there. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. Furnished tour. More things are coming in, so when all that things come in and the apartment looks better, I will upload a new video. So stay tuned for the next video, and we're out, guys. Bye.